everyone, Vanessa here from AngelRose Sons here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a purchase that I did on Amazon. And it's for some outline pens. I ordered them a couple of weeks ago, I think. And they're for double line outline pen tools. Color glitter pen, writing, drawing pens for coloring books, craft drawing, card making. And when I seen this, I wanted to give them a try. And when I got them in today, they're all individually wrapped. I kid you not. Each marker is individually wrapped. I will do a full review on these. I just wanted to give y'all a look at what I will be reviewing. And I got these on Amazon. I can't quite read the name on it. Let me see. Guana. Okay, I'll link everything down below in the description box, but I will use these for a certain amount of time, then I'll do a full review on everything. So that way, you know, I'll give a detailed description or a detailed opinion on the pens. And of course I have tons of reviews to do, so this will be the first one. Now I usually do them, I take my time so I can give a good honest opinion on how they work on certain surfaces and things like that. So I will do that, and I will come back and do another video for you guys. Okay, be safe, be well. Thank you all for watching. Be kind, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.